Could these be the best all-round motorcycle and even casual boots? Well, you can see a quick overlay of little tests I've been doing with this and how it actually performs. It's actually quite a nice option if you're thinking about motorcycle boots. They offer the right amount of protection, and we're going to have a quick look at how it comes to us. I did pick these up from Street Bike, and guess what? Street Bike had them on for £189, but I saw on another website cheaper price. I asked Street Bike and they matched the price. So that's why I went with Street Bike. It's not a sponsored video. I paid for it myself and had a great service from Street Bike. They sent it straight down, which was great. And here they are. I'm going to try them on, see how they do. So you'll notice that I've got a size 7 here, which is what I wear, and they were true to size, good quality leather, and looking at them they actually feel like a good quality item. Putting them on, they feel a lot better than my previous ones. You'll notice I had the Oxford merchant boots. Those weren't that good. They felt a little bit cheaply made because they were glued together and there's a lot of glue showing, but these actually are a lot better. They've got a nice stitch on the bottom sole and there's a leather upper. If it's a bit hot, maybe these will get you a bit more roomy and a bit more warm. However, I'm wearing them in, just getting them bedded in for a little bit, so I'm going to wear them around the house just to get used to them. And so far the grip on the bottom sole is very nice. It's got a nice rubber feel, and the boots themselves, they feel like good quality but not heavy. So that's something to keep an eye on. You don't want heavy boots. So these can be worn around casually, feet off the table. Yeah, well, they're new at the moment. They haven't been worn, so it's okay to show you this shot with me putting my foot on the table. We will take them outdoors. I'll have a little walk on them. We'll try on the bike and see how they do. Let's see how they look in the house under normal lights. They look a little bit dark. These are dark brown, remember. They do a black and a dark brown. And this brown version inside does look nice. It's got like a deep colour to it. I'll show you it outdoor in lighting to see what it looks like. It's got a nice heel protector, an ankle protector, and the ratings you would expect on a motorcycle boots. So overall, I'm quite pleased with them, and I think they're going to do very well. So something to keep an eye on is, are they very puffy or do they need any breaking in? They are leather, but they're not hard leather. They're like a nice supple, soft leather. You can wear tight jeans on them and have like nice boot style. It's got the extra protection on the sides, the extra layer of leather, and the zips are excellent for putting your feet in because you undo each zip and you don't have to actually undo the laces. So once you've tied the laces up, you can leave them tied on and use the zip to enter and exit the boots. So I think I've done quite well here. These ones are a definite keeper. I had the Oxford Merchants that I bought for a review and I didn't like them, so I sent them back. I also had the City Denver boots, which were okay, but they felt a little bit big to me and a bit too stiff. These Falco Aviators, straight out of the box, they were nice and supple. You'll see it's got ankle protection, nice little soft bit in the inside. I took the insole out. On the City Denver, they had an amazing insole. This one is actually quite a good option, and it's seeing here, you can see it's like not excellent. I might change the insoles to my own ones, but well, it is what it is, isn't it? These are 160 something pound, £170 I end up paying for these. So they fit nicely. They're for a higher boot. You can actually put your foot in nice and easily. I will be obviously wearing longer socks with this. At the moment I'm just wearing the small trainer socks to show you. And here you can see there, even being long boots, when you put your jeans over them, they don't look that bad. You can get away with very smart boots here, and you can wear them in a multitude of environments. The sole itself has got a nice grip. It's got good zips on them, which feel like a nice easy pull tab on. And the leather itself, all the stitching and everything looks like good quality, and there's not any bits that are too bad. I saw a little bit of a thread hanging out the top where they finished stitching, but I can easily cut that with a little knife and it should be fine. The stitching itself, there's quite a good attention to detail. Again, you can just tie up the laces like this, and once you've got them in a certain spot, you can just leave the laces there and then use the zips for entry and exit. And as these bed in, I'll take a bit of time, but I'll use them, and then I'll show you how they do after a couple of months, so you can actually see them. Biking season is over at the moment, so we're coming more into the winter, but I can use these as winter boots as well, so that's not a bad idea. Because they're not really screaming motorcycle boots, you can wear them casually as well, just to get them bedding in. I'll see how long the sole lasts on these. That'll be interesting. And on the motorcycle, you can actually easily get the heel on and shift gears, which is nice. You've got the extra layer along the main shoe, and that gives you a good grip, and also you can easily get through the gears. You'll notice I'm doing a Honda 250 1979 motorcycle redo, and I'm sitting on that bike at the moment just to show you how these do. So overall, definitely worth picking up. I'll link you to my other video where I checked out 2 other motorcycle boots, City Denver and Oxford Merchant. Have a look at those. If this isn't your cup of tea, those will be something to look out for. The Oxford Merchant were definitely not good pair that I didn't like, so I'll avoid those. But definitely City Denver and these Falco Aviators are a definite considering option. So I'll see you on the next video.